You may notice that the clay layer is thicker up here than it is over there. Actually, it wedges out completely. Why is that? Look at the limestone above and the flint layers there. See the structure? It looks a bit like cross-bedding. It shows you that the morphology of the sea floor was not even, but we had mound-like structures. And then in the little bays between the crests of the mounds, we had the accumulation of the clay. Those mound-like structures were produced by seafloor currents with a certain direction, and so that the deposition produced something like you could compare with sand dunes, with a shallow flank and a steep flank, and the bryozoans were settling on the steep parts of the mounds. Bryozoans also have the name moss animals, and they got this name because they really look like little moss organisms, like little moss overgrowth. The bryozoans are the main remains of organisms that we find in this rock. They were sessile benthic organisms settling on the ground, and by settling they are also hardening the ground, and they had tentacles which they used to filter the water and derive their nutrients from. And while growing, they formed calcareous bodies, and those skeletons are the remains that make up that limestone.